So we're all under load. All the bolts are in place with slack. Just going around and torque them all up now. I think I'll start from the top and work my way down. Start at the top. 11mm shock absorber nuts. Got some Benny Hill music. Speeds up. Right, getting close now. One. It's a strangely satisfying noise, that clunk of a torque wrench. Now that I know they've done them, mark them as done and also protect the threads. Put some anti-seize compound. Right, 11mm. Next, top wishbone, or actually I think they're called pivot arms. 15mm. 44 Newton meters, so again not a great deal. Now this is the one with the captive nut on the other side, so I don't need a spanner in. That's why I put the shock absorber in first. Could be a 14 now, this one. That's not much at all. Well, that's what it says. Again, just mark it to say I've done it. Right. Bottom wishbone now. So low wishbone, same again, 44 Newton meters. It's not much at all. Right, this one I will need to get a spanner on. Yeah, 15. Get it close first. It is. Right. Can't get the torque wrench in. It's certainly not righty-tighty. It's just nicking it up so you can just see a bit of movement. That's the bottom wishbone done. Again, I'll mark it and say it's been done. Onto the bottom now. So the trunnion is 61, a bit more this time. What size is that one? Is it 17? No. 17 mil. I think it'll go on this one, yes. Right, next one. Same again. Shock absorber next. That's it done. Right. Lower washbone done. Okay. Trapper ends. Ball joint 44, so it's the same. This one's a bit bigger. Looks like maybe 19. Yeah, just for ease. Somewhere close. Sorry. There's not much at all, that. Suppose there's quite a bit of a lever on it. So yeah, mark that one up, so we've done that one. All joint. Should be 16 that one. Is it 16? Alright. That's right. A little bit more. Control bar and link. Lovely. Drop them done. Mark them up. Protect the thread. Alright. And your roll bar length now. $13 I think. Yeah, $13. 6 Newton. Oh, crikey, that's nothing. Doesn't even register. Just nip these up. Quite slack. Just doing them evenly. Nice. That much it all. Mark them up. Protect the threads. This well. So, all done. One final check. Top bolts, top, I've been calling them wishbones, but apparently there's pivot arms, bottom pivot arms, and your roll bar, drop link, trunnion bolt and lower shock absorber, track rod end, ball joint to the top of the hub, and the nut there. So, I think that's everything. Now I've got the wheel to put back on, and then one last look at the hub bearing nut. It might need a little bit tighter. See if there's any play in the first though. Right, on to the other side.